Hello everyone, today we will see complete crochet tutorial for this mini star. And like, even though you are an absolute beginner, it's absolutely okay. I have explained all stitches quite slow, and you will understand it. And of course they are with written instructions, so try not to skip any part of the video and watch it completely, so you will have no problem at all and you will understand it perfectly well. So let's start the video. Thank you. We will start with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and here comes 4. Now we will join this first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This is how we make a slip stitch. Okay. Now we get a very tiny bit small circle in between by joining those chain crochet stitches. So now whatever stitches we will be taking from inside the stitches. Not all of them for first round. Now we will make 20 double crochet stitches. So as I told you, we will be each time inserting a needle from inside that circle, and we will be making 20 double crochet stitches. See, each time I am inserting my needle inside that circle. These are double crochet stitches. So we are going to make 20 such double crochet stitches. I'll just complete all 20 of them and I'll show you. I'll just complete that round and I'll show you. See, here I have completed 20 double crochet stitches and our first round is complete. Now to complete this round, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here our slip stitch goes and our first round is complete. Now we will make 5 points of a star. 5 points of the star. So we will be making now 6 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we will just leave loop on the needle and we will skip the stitch next to it. And from the next stitch, first we will make a single crochet stitch. See, from this stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. I'll just show you how to make a single crochet stitch. This is single crochet stitch. Okay. Now in next stitch we will make a half double crochet stitch. This is half double crochet stitch. Now we will make double crochet stitch. Okay. Now triple crochet or treble crochet stitch. Each stitch we are taking in one stitch. Okay. Now after that, now we will yarn over 3 times. See, we should have 4 loops on our yarn. Okay. Now we will grab the yarn and pull it from starting 2 loops. First 2 loops, then again 2 loops, again from 2 loops, and last again from 2 loops. Okay. Now this our first point is complete. Now we need to join it to this circle. So we will just skip 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch we will join it with the slip stitch as usual. Now if you want to refer tutorial video for all the stitches like single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, treble crochet stitch, you can go to the description. You will find all tutorial links over there. I have already placed tutorial for all these stitches, and all are very easy and simple to understand, so you can refer those tutorials also. This is our first pike, or first point of the star is complete. Now same pattern we have to follow for all the rest of the 4. We have already made one. There are 5 points in the star, so we 5, or if you want 6. So it's like you just have to go on following the same pattern for all the points, and here your star is complete. I'll just complete all of them and I'll show you the final piece. This is how a mini star look like. As you have seen, it's quite simple, quite easy to crochet. So if you like the video, please do like, comment, share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching video completely. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.